Imagine a town surrounded by 2 turquoise lakes and the breathtaking Swiss Alps. Welcome to Interlaken, one of Switzerland's most beautiful destinations. Interlaken sits perfectly between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, surrounded by the dramatic peaks of the Bernese Alps. This small town has become one of Switzerland's most famous travel destinations. Interlaken is known as the adventure capital of Switzerland. You can paraglide over the valley, take a scenic boat ride on the lakes, or ride the train up to Jungfraujoch, the famous top of Europe. For the best views, head to Harder Kulm. From here you can see the entire town. Both lakes and the majestic Jungfrau mountain range. Adventure lovers will find endless activities here. Skydiving, hiking, kayaking, canyoning, and some of the most scenic train journeys in the world. The best time to visit Interlaken is between May and September, when the weather is perfect for outdoor activities. But winter transforms the region into a magical snowy wonderland. Interlaken is easy to reach by train from Zurich, Lucerne or Geneva. The town itself is compact and perfect for exploring on foot. Whether you come for adventure, scenery or peaceful alpine views, Interlaken is a destination that truly captures the magic of Switzerland.